We have the consonant blend, TR. And a consonant blend are when we bring together 2 or 3 consonants, and each one says their own sound, but we blend them together in a word. T says t, 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 and R says r, r, r. Now let's tap and stretch them together. Ready? Tr. Tap and stretch again. Tr. Good. Let's try that in a word or two. Are you ready? There. Now let's tap and stretch. Trap. Tap and stretch. Trap. Say it fast. Trap. Say it fast. Trap. Yeah, that's the word, trap. Good job. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Trim. Tap and stretch it again. Trim. Good. Say it fast like a word. Trim. Say it fast. Trim. Yeah, my hair needs a little trim. Good job. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Trip. Tap and stretch. Trip. Say it fast. Trip. Say it fast. Trip. Good job. Trip. I'm going on a trip next month. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Trot. Tap and stretch. Trot. Let's say it fast like a word. Trot. Say it fast. Trot. Yeah, like a horse will trot in the grass, right? He'll just kind of walk, not too fast, not too slow, just a nice trot. Good. That is our consonant blend, TR. Good work.